Jai Shri Ram everyone, and guys, today I came here to make this video because I am also here, I am also listening everything whatever Manoj Muntashir is saying, Om Raut is saying, everyone is saying about, just like they are justifying their mistake, their blunder by their videos, and they are coming to media houses and they are telling ki we didn't make Ramayan. Before this movie got released, before that they were saying we are showing Ramayan, we didn't modified anything, no, we didn't touched any character, we didn't touch this story, we didn't do anything like fabricate, we didn't fabricated anything, we just presented pure Ramayan in front of you. And after movie got released, they are getting this kind of response from everyone, because that is not, they are right. Actually, they are not making Ramayan, they didn't make Ramayan intentionally, they worst that movie intentionally, they played with the feeling of our dharma people, okay, our Sanatan Dharma Hindu people, okay, intentionally they did it. Now we can clearly say that, see, they are not feeling sorry about their mistake, but they are justifying it. So you have to understand, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका, एक तो चोरी ऊपर से सीना चोरी, इनके ऊपर वो पूरा फिट होता है. दे आर द पीपल who are doing chori also, and then they are showing ki no, we didn't do, we will, yes we did, what will you do? That kind of attitude they are showing. Just by modifying these 5 dialogues cannot change this movie story, okay? And you have to see, first you have to watch my review on Adipurush. When I watched this movie, first day, first show, I think I am the first one who reviewed that movie, okay? You have to watch that review, you have to see that I was not talking about dialogues. I didn't talk about dialogues in that video. I was talking about the story only, which they just changed it, with which they made, like, I don't know what kind of mentality that people are having, what kind of, like, what is their problem with Hindu Dharma? I'm not getting. What is their problem with Sanatan Dharma? Why do they want to modernize Ramayana? First of all, okay, Ramayana did not happen in this Yug, Kali Yuga. Ramayana happened in Treta Yug. So tell that story. Why do you want to modify that according to you? And what do you mean? What is the meaning of modernization? If a person will come in front of you with having full body tattoos, 3 braids, hai na? So all that spike hairstyle and whatever, what not, okay? What will you call him? A modern man, or you will call him Chapri Nibba? So you want to show that in this, through this movie? So I don't understand what is the, like, what is your point? Also, I want to talk Prabhas fans also here through this video. Guys, see, this is not only Prabhas responsibility to entertain you, to like make a big move and like change the history. It is not only his responsibility, it is your responsibility also. You have to see, you have to think. See, they did this, okay? You just keep your hand on your heart and tell me with, don't tell me, just realize it. Ki where did you like Prabhas acting more, in Bahubali movie or in this Adipurush movie? You just have to think which movie. See, एक डायलॉग था बाहुबली का कि गलत किया देव सेना, औरत में हाथ डालने वाले का उंगली नहीं काटते हैं उसका गला. आज भी इस सीन को आप जितने बार देखोगे ना, you will, how many times, no matter how many times you will watch that scene na, you will get those goosebumps which was totally missing in the full movie of Adipurush. Guys, you have to understand this. This is not just about these dialogues. These, obviously, they are the worst thing in this movie. But it is not about only these dialogues. If they didn't touch the movie, they didn't touch the story, and then when did Rama say, like saw Ravan to like kidnapping Sita, and he can't do anything. See, they portrayed Ram as a very helpless people, very helpless person, sorry, very helpless individual man, like whose wife is getting kidnapped in front of him, and he's just following and running and just nothing. See, Jatayu came and he was saving the Sita, okay? And Raman was killing the Jatayu, and Rama is seeing that in front of him, and he is not doing anything. He was a very big archer, okay? If he, you have to understand what you have to support, what you do not have to support. What do you want? See, this is my clear question, front question, in like to all of you Prabhas fans. You have to understand one thing. See, what do you want? You want that Prabhas movie only Prabhas fans will see? No one else? Do you want this? This will not make him a very global mega star. No! That cannot do this. When everyone will watch this movie, na, then only he will become a very, very, very big star. And you have to understand this. See, when a kid will do like some chori, he will come home, and if his mother is supporting him, na, that doesn't mean that mother is loving that children. That doesn't mean that. That means that mother is not having any like problem with his career, ki what will he do in his future, but she just want to make his son happy for now. So you have to understand this. See, we are getting so much hurt, we are getting so much affected because we love our Lord Ram, and he is like first, before any Prabhas, before any actor, he is our Bhagwan ji, he is our father. Okay, we have to respect him first, then we have to come to Prabhas. And also, yes, I know very, like, so many Prabhas fans are very much innocent, who don't know what is happening. Okay, so you only have to understand. See, we are getting affected because of Lord Rama's images. They are like ruining it. Okay, that's why we are getting affected. So you only think double effect you should get, because they are not only demeaning Ram's character in through this movie, but they are like, see what are they doing with Prabhas career also. You have to think about this. See, Bahubali movie came na, like, see, Bahubali movie broke all the walls, all the walls of north, south. Everyone went to watch that movie, and what a movie that was. You have to think. See, I have seen so many movies of Prabhas. I have seen Mr. Perfect, I have seen Darling, I have seen Mirchi, I have seen Chhatrapati, I have seen Bahubali 2, but, and I have seen Adipurush also. Why? See, I am a very big fan of Prabhas. Even in my family, my mother have seen Bahubali movie. She don't know his name Prabhas, but she used to say, oh, Bahubali wala actor hai, oh, Bahubali wala hero. So that is what a movie can make or break about a like a star's character, or a career, or a like big actor's career. Okay, you have to think this. You have to think. And let's talk about Bollywood. See, Bollywood is always demean Hindu dharma in through any movie. You have seen PK, Ravan, so many movies. I can give you so many examples. जो वो dialogue उसने बोला ना, जलेगी तेरे बाप की. So from where that dialogue came, I will attach that video also here. You can enjoy that video.
रावण ने बोला, ये वानर बहुत उद्दंडी है, इसकी पूंछ में हम आग लगाएंगे. तो पूंछ में आग लगाए उनके. लेकिन कपड़ा कहाँ है? कपड़ा लेकर के आओ. कपड़ा लेकर के आए, लंका से मंगाया गया कपड़ा मंगाया. कहते जी ऐसे आग नहीं लगेगी जी, लंबी अगर आग लगवानी है तो इसलिए उसमें घी भी होना चाहिए. तो घी भी लेकर के आए. तो देसी गाय का घी लेकर के आए. या कुछ तो गाय बची थी, बाकी खा जाते थे लोग. तो घी लगाया. कहता आग कहाँ है? फिर आग भी लेकर के आए, फिर आग भी लगाई. अच्छा, घी किसका? रावण का. कपड़ा किसका? रावण का. आग किसकी? रावण की. जली किसकी? रावण की.
आग भी तेरे बाप की और जलेगी भी तेरे बाप की.
And after, like, see, after this movie got released, Manoj Muntashir, who is a very insecure man, I can say that, because his name was Manoj Kumar Shukla, because he is a writer. Okay, and he want to add a Urdu word in his name so that he will look a cool writer and modernized writer according to him. So see, you only have to understand one thing, Manoj Muntashir. If you want to, you have used this word na, tere baap ka, tere baap ka. So listen, this Ramayana is not your baap ki. Okay, agar you want to like fabricate a story na, just do this with your father's story. No one will come and say anything, but do not change everyone's father's story. Okay, Rama is ancestor of everyone, every Indian, every Hindu. Okay, so you have to understand this very clearly, and you have to keep this on your mind. Okay, you are coming and you are justifying कि thank God इस युग का लेखक मुझे बनाया है रामायण का. सो दिस युग, इस युग का लेखक ऑलरेडी पैदा हो चुका. तुलसीदास जी रामायण इस युग में ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं. ठीक है, सो यू डोंट थिंक योर सेल्फ, डोंट गेट सो लाइक सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड दैट यू आर अ वेरी बिग राइटर. नो, यू आर डेफिनेटली नॉट. जस्ट बाय एडिंग मुंतशिर इन योर नेम विल नॉट मेक you a big director, but yes, if you could have done justice to this movie, Manoj Shukla could be a very good writer. Okay, but I don't understand what is happening. But the motive of like making this video is just by these 5 dialogues you cannot change anything. Okay, the like how helpless you showed Rama in this movie. See, Rama was about to die and Hanuman saved Ramji. Do you really think this happened? This could have happened? Hanumanji was so much powerful, so much gyani. He was saying all these nonsense dialogues in this movie. Do you really think it's justificable? He is saying, Manoj Muntashir is saying that every preachers are doing preachings and they are showing all this through their preachings. They are preachers. They are telling a story. But you are thinking कि भगवान भी ऐसे बात करते थे, that हनुमान जी will talk तेरे बाप का and रावण will कहते मेरे सांप ने तेरे शेषनाग को लंबा कर दिया. What is this? What is the need of showing a cleavage of a woman in this movie? What is the need of story of that? You just tell me one thing. Why Vibhishan's wife is setting his pallu and showing her cleavage? What is the need of the story? Why? See, Hanumanji was very innocent. Very innocent. When he went to take that Parvat, Sanjeevani booty lene jab gaye the, he don't know which is Sanjeevani booty. That's why he came. And in this movie, he want to keep that Parvat because he want to stock up. that in future someone else will need this. This is you call modernization? No. Keep this story as simple as it is. You want to modernize something, so modernize CGI, VFX, just show that power of that Dhanush arch, that that arrow की power दिखाओ. Modernization, उसमें modern techniques use करो ना. Why do you want to change this story? And this is not looking modern at all. Okay, see, every year Ramayana is happening in like cities also, villages also, towns also, everywhere, but still people are going, everyone know the story of Ramayana, but why are they going on watching that Ram Leela again and again and again? Why? They do not know any story, and you want to tell this to our future generation. Like, what's wrong with you? Why do you want to like change this story? Why do you want to ruin Rama's, like, see, our Ramayana? Why do you want to do that? First of all, you cannot do that. Okay, you cannot do. See what response you are getting from internet, from everywhere. You have to understand that. And for Prabhas fan, I just want to tell you one thing, because I know everyone is not rude, everyone is not bad, everyone is not like, I know you people are also very innocent, but you have to think कि whether only Prabhas fan should watch his movie and it will make him a big star, or if everyone will watch and then it will make. Bahubali was a fictional character. If a Rama's character will be very much, it should be very much powerful. You know, if this movie would be made with pure devotion, pure love, and pure dharma, pure feelings, so this movie could have got so many records. This movie could have earned, I think, 2,000 crores from one language belt only. Okay, and you know how this graph of this movie is going. And you know what? This movie makers like smartly used Prabhas and his fandom just to capitalize him. So you have to think, they are using Prabhas. They are not keeping Prabhas in the movie because they really want, they don't care about anything, they just care about money. So you have to understand this, and you have to think what you, I can't say much. I'm already like, see, I was not making any movies, but after seeing their smartness, they don't have any shame. First of all, no shame at all. Instead of, मैं एक वर्ड हिंदी में बोलती हूँ, उनको शायद ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा कि ये अगर हर जिसकी फीलिंग्स हर्ट हुई है इस मूवी को देख के, उनके सबके पैरों में जाके सर रगड़ेंगे ना जब, और हमारे सामने थूकेंगे ज़मीन में, फिर चाटेंगे उसको वापस, उसके बाद भी हम लोग इनको माफ़ नहीं करेंगे जो उन्होंने किया है इस मूवी के साथ. उसके बाद इस मूवी को इतना खराब करने के बाद एक छोटा सा सॉरी बोलने के बजाय यू आर जस्टिफाइंग योरसेल्फ. लाइक रियली, what are you expecting from us? These five, you will change these $5 and you think it will be a very good or blockbuster movie? See, yaar, first of all, you know, everyone knows Bollywood's history, everyone knows Bollywood story, and the fund, whatever fund is coming in Bollywood, from where it is coming, everyone knows about drug story, underworld story, everything, everyone know. Okay, that's why people say boycott Bollywood, because of these kind of people in Bollywood. People say ki boycott Bollywood, don't watch Bollywood movies. See, this is how, and now I am also saying the same. आई ऑल्सो डोंट वॉच. अगर ये मूवी 20 करोड़ में बनी होती ना, मिन्नन मुरली सबने देखी होगी, उसमें सब कुछ यूज किया उन्होंने, और 20-25 करोड़ में मूवी बन भी गई, एंड देन रिस्पॉन्स ऑल्सो यू पीपल नो. सो अगर रामायण को कोई प्योर डिवोशन के साथ मत दिखाओ CGI. यार, आई वॉज द वन हु वाज सेइंग कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच दिस मूवी फॉर CGI, फॉर VFX, for Ravan hairstyle, but I am just going to watch this movie from Ramji, from Ramayan. So you see, I didn't deleted any video from my channel. You can go from very first teaser, even from the movie announcement, okay, from that time till now, you can see I made every positive video. How can I change people's perspective about this movie? That is what my main intention was, okay. But after watching this movie, I am myself shattered. So how can you expect me to say positive about this movie? Also, I forgot to talk about disclaimer. So the people are saying there are a disclaimer also, you should have seen that and all and whatnot. But you also have to understand what is a disclaimer. When RRR movie was like they are making RRR movie na, from the day one they were saying ki we are just taking the name of two freedom fighters, but this movie is a totally fictional story, okay. That is what Rajamouli told from the first day, okay. And the makers of this movie are already promoting this movie in the name of Ramayana, and on the last day when people have already spent their money on the tickets and then they want to watch the movie in theater, before the movie they are putting that disclaimer, which most of the people will not even see that, because you have already promoted your movie in the name of Ramayana only, and then you are talking about this. And in every event, every promotion, Prabhas is saying Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. So he is also thinking that you really took Prabhas in this movie for playing the character of Shri Ram in this movie. That's why he is saying Jai Shri Ram in every promotion. But he don't know how you are cheating him, how you are cheating his fans. So, but now everyone knew everything about this movie and everything about this. Now for Prabhas, all hopes towards Salar. I'm still like hoping that that will be a good movie. And like, see, Prabhas ने ही बाहुबली में भी एक्टिंग करी है. He only did acting in छत्रपति, मिर्ची, Mr. Perfect and every movie. So we know his potential already, okay? But we, by this Adipurush movie, we know about the makers. उनकी reality इस movie के through हमको पता चलती है. Now see, you only have to think what you want to do, how you have to support this movie, or you have to don't watch this movie. I don't know. I don't want to say anything. You only have to understand, okay? Jai Shri Ram.